Hello everyone, this is Excel sheet column title LeetCode problem 168. This problem states, given an integer column number, return its corresponding column title as it appears in an Excel sheet. So A would be 1, B 2, C 3, and then we get past 26. AA would be the first number past the original alphabet, so 27, and AB would be 28. So the first example, column number is 1, output is A. Column number is 28, it's going to be AB, and then column number is 701, which turns out to be ZY. So to solve this problem, we're going to use the modulo calculator. So basically, if you have column number 1, modulo 16, calculate, it's just going to give you 1. And this works all the way up to 25. So 25 modulo 25. So now, if you have a number like 46, it's going to give you 20. So we have to keep the numbers between 1 and 26. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is a string builder. I'll call this the result, which is what we're going to pass back. Equals a new string builder. Alright, so we're going to iterate through column numbers while they are greater than 0. So the first thing we're going to do is subtract 1, because column numbers for Excel are start at 1, and column numbers, as we know in programming world, start with 0. So we're just going to subtract 1. So this is where we use the modulo. So we're going to get character C equals, and we'll cast it to a character. But it's going to be our little equation here, which is, we'll take the column number modulo 26. And then we'll add A to that. So that'll increment it by 1. So that gets the character. Now we need to fix the column number. So the column number, we've got to divide that by 26. Because we've taken care of the first number in the sequence, now we need to take care of the second. So divide by 26, we'll append that, or remove that first character. And then we're just going to append the C, append the character, append C. Alright, that is pretty much it. Now, because we've done this in reverse order, we just have to reverse it. So out result, reverse. And then we just need to return it. So we're going to return result, but we have to string it to pull it out of the string builder. And that should, that should be everything. Let's run it. Okay. It was accepted. So let's debug this just to show you what's going on here. So I use the first case where the column number equals 1. So we create the string builder, column is greater than 0, decrease the column number, so char C is column number modulo 6 plus A. And you'll notice char C is the value A. So divide this by column number by 26. So now column number is equal to 0. So this will be the only time it goes through this loop. And then we reverse it, which it doesn't matter because it's only one character, and return it. Okay, so let's submit this. So that is the solution. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.